In this third exercise, we're going to be using a slower tempo at 60 beats per minute, but we're going to be using more wrist strokes. So we're going to begin with 4 wrist strokes to each pulse of the 60 beats per minute. And then we're going to increase this to 5 wrist strokes, and then to 6, and then to 7. So in a similar way, we're going to start off with a roll speed, and then we're going to increase that speed in time with the metronome. So I'll just demonstrate that to you now. So that's the basic exercise, and so that's the basic exercise. And again, we can spend longer on each speed. So rather than just doing 4 groups of each speed, we can just keep on the one speed until we're ready to move to the next. And initially we can then move back to the slower speed and keep pushing it the way that we did the other exercise. I would like to demonstrate this exercise to you with me playing in traditional grip, because I normally play in traditional grip, and so my left hand in match grip is not as good as it is in traditional grip. And I think out of all the things that we've done so far, this is where it would be most noticeable. So I'm hoping that if I play this exercise with a traditional grip, you'll hear a better roll than what I just demonstrated, and it gives you an idea of what we can achieve if we keep working on these exercises. Okay, so, and whilst we're doing this particular exercise, we don't want any accents. It's very easy to fall into the situation where you're accenting each pulse. We just want a nice, even roll. And no accents in the roll, just nice and smooth, nice and free. Okay. So I've got some more exercises to help develop this roll technique at different speeds and coming from different stickings. So the first exercise is to play 2 single strokes and then 2 multi-bounce strokes. We do that twice, and then we play 4 single strokes and 4 multi-bounce strokes. So I'll just demonstrate that now. And then on the other hand. Then we can do that at different tempos. And obviously faster. So we're trying to fill that space, no matter what the tempo is, with multiple bounces. So the next exercise is now to double that up. So we're going to do 4 single strokes and then 4 multi-bounce strokes. Do that twice, and then we're going to double it up and do 8 single strokes and then 8 multi-bounce strokes. obviously we can do that at different tempos. Now we can also combine the two exercises separately. So what we would be looking for is 2 single strokes and then 4 multi-bounce strokes, which is swapping the first exercise with the second exercise. Again, we do that at different tempos. And then we can use the second exercise with the slower wrist speeds. So so those exercises are going to help us to develop roll technique at different speeds and different stickings.